Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Autotune filter on TikTok. So in here, you can just first open your TikTok and click on the plus button. And here you can tag a video directly or just use or upload a video from gallery. For example, in here, I'm going to just tag a video directly from the TikTok camera and stop it. Click on the check icon, and now you can just click on the voice button. So just click on the voice, and here you can just find the auto tune effect or filter. So this is the one, and in here you can just click on the effects and click on save, and the auto tune filter or effect will be applied to your clips. Tag a video directly from the TikTok. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.